AB Academy. Today we about to be talking about how to make your next month your best month, or just to make this month better than last month. You feel me? Because the goal, in my opinion, is to become a better version of our past selves, whether that's yesterday, last week, last month, last year. I'm about to show y'all how to do that. As y'all know, bro, I like to simplify things. I like to make things extremely simple. So today, how we gonna structure and format this video, I'm about to give y'all 3 steps on how to make this month or next month better than your last month. Starting with number 1, which is reflecting. As y'all can see, bro, I'm jumping around the room. I'm kind of bored while making this video, so I want to add some pizzazz. But number 1 gonna be reviewing and reflecting. This basically means whenever you're trying to get better at something, bro, you must know one thing, and that is where you currently are at the moment, bro. If you wanted to drive to Alaska, I don't even know if you could drive to. If you wanted to drive somewhere, bro, the one thing that you will need to know is where you are at that current moment, bro. If you wanted to type in your GPS, hey, I'm trying to get to Walmart, it's going to locate you and see where you are. The GPS is impossible to take you somewhere if they don't know where you are. And that's what you need to do is reflect and review your month that you just had, or this month or the last month, depending on what you want to make better. We're going to talk about that later. How do you do this? Basically, just take inventory, man. Understand your KPIs. KPIs is key performance indicators. If y'all in the business world, or even if you're in the YouTube world, you need to be tracking your life, bro. Tracking your expenses, tracking your revenue, tracking your income. All of these type things help you become a better version of you. Because if you ain't tracking something, bro, you slacking, my guy. You tripping, bro. You tripping. Reflecting also give us a baseline of the place where we are currently at in life. For example, let's say we want to become stronger. You feel me? If we reflect on our previous month, we'll be like, damn, I want to be strong, but I only worked out twice last month. So now I know my baseline is working out twice per month. This next month, I know what to do. Now that I got this clear vision, now that I got this clear starting point, my next month gonna be better, which leads me to number 2. Set a clear focus. Whatever you focus on grows, bro. And when you focus on multiple things, it's damn near like focusing on nothing. If y'all ever heard the quote, if you chase 2 bunny rabbits, you catch none. You don't want to chase 2 bunny rabbits, bro. Figure out that one thing that if you get this month, you will feel amazing. You will feel exuberated. I don't even know if I said that word right, but you will feel great about yourself, bro. Figure that one thing out, and that's going to be our goal. That's going to be our project. Forget a goal. We don't say goals no more, bro. So forget goals. It's our project. Because think about it like this. When you was in school and you had a project, what did you have along with that project? A deadline. And when that deadline came, what you did? Complete the project. So our deadline is going to be this 1 month challenge, and our project is going to be whatever the goal is. So figure out your goal in your head, write it down, think about it, and meet me on step number 3. Now, arguably, this is the most important step, which is step number 3. But after this step, I'm going to have a bonus tip for you. So stay tuned to that bonus tip. But this is the best step and the most important step, because if you don't lock in your systems, your goal is just going to stay a goal and a dream and a wish, because systems is what push these goals forward. Let me explain. If I told you right now that you got to climb Mount Everest, and I want you to climb that mountain right there, which is Mount Everest, you're going to look at me crazy. You're going to look at me dumbfounded. But if I told you, hey, bro, forget the outcome. Figure out what you got to do to get to the outcome and just do that over and over again. So if you wanted to climb a mountain, that would be just putting one foot in front of the other. Achievable, right? Everybody, if I told you that, hey, bro, put one foot in front of the other, take a step, take a step, take a step, you will eventually get to where you're going. I don't know how long it's going to take. You don't know how long it's going to take. But what we do know is ultimately, if you keep taking step by step by step, you're going to get to where you need to be. And it's inevitable. And that's the thing about systems paired with your goals. You want to figure out what systems will inevitably get you to your goals. And lucky for you, this bonus tip is for everybody who want to become a YouTuber, because next month we're doing the August YouTuber Challenge. I ain't putting no edits on this video. This is AB Academy. I did that like I was about to put some edits. Nevertheless, August YouTuber Challenge is a challenge where I invite all the creatives, all the YouTubers onto AB Academy platform and compete for $500. All you have to do is lock in with yourself and your systems, which I give you. Literally, this video right here, bro, if you do my steps in the August YouTube Challenge, you will have the best month of your life. Don't take this from me. Take it from the last year's winner of the August YouTube Challenge. Your last post in the August YouTube challenge, you shared some stats with us. I'm about to go over them real quick. 4+ million views by the end of August. You hit 100,000 subscribers, which means you had a 100K plaque on the way. I heard you officially quit your day job.
Yes, sir.
How does that feel, bro?
Amazing. Amazing.
That's crazy. Off of YouTube, bro. And the craziest stat of them all, bro, over $55,000 of revenue in a single month.
I'm somebody who likes a good challenge from time to time. And it really helped me, specifically the August YouTuber challenge, because I was at a place where I kind of felt a little stagnant. And so when I saw that challenge, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give this a try. Boom. And we did that.
That's hard, bro. That's hard. That's totally, bro. That's like, you don't understand. Every time I think about it, every time I see it, bro, it just makes me light up inside, because I knew that the challenge was gonna breed something, bro. But you blew it out the park. You know what I'm saying? You hit a home run, bro. You hit a home run, bro. Shout out to you. Congratulations to you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It sounds like you've been having a great AB Academy experience, and that's the only thing that I want to do in the AB Academy. I want to put people around like-minded people. I want to put YouTubers in a spot where they feel like they are welcome. I want stuff like this, bro. I want these type of reactions. I want these type of come-up stories, bro. So I appreciate you for being in the Academy. I appreciate you for thriving, bro. On to more success. Keep killing it. Keep doing your thing. Clap it up in the comments. Clap it up in the comments, man. Congratulations, bro. I couldn't be more happier, bro. More proud. You feel me? And as you know, when we started the challenge, I said that whoever makes the biggest progress of this challenge, they get a cash prize. So that cash prize will be sent to you very soon. I would ask for your cash app, but I don't need it. You won a challenge before, and I already got your cash app. So yeah, man, y'all heard it here first. Everybody who joined right now, I'm also gonna give you my free habit tracker in AB Academy Pro. So don't wait, don't waste another moment. August is tomorrow. August is sometime. If y'all, whenever y'all watching this, bro, it might be August right now. Stop waiting, take action. Y'all see the power of action, man. Y'all see this book title. Take some action. Link in the description. I see you when you over there. Join right now. Free habit tracker just for you.